Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to quickly go over how to split someone's full name in Excel. This can also work for other instances where it's not a name, whether it's a text or certain other values that need to be split. So we'll just start by creating a column for their first name and one for their last name. And then we can just format paint this over, and there we go. So how we're going to go about splitting this is we're going to type equals, and then the function we're going to use is text split. So if you type in the first part of it, you can just double click on this. It splits text into rows or columns using delimiters. So what a delimiter is something that separates the text. In some cases it's a comma. In this case it is just a space. So we'll just highlight the text that we want to split, and then if we hit comma, it will take us to the column delimiter. Like I just said, it's a space. So how to type a space in a function will be by putting double quotes, then a space, then another double quotes. So the value in between the double quotes is what the delimiter is, and we put a space there. So now we just hit enter. We don't need to worry about these other parts of the function. It will come back with Joe Williams. So we can just click and drag down, and there we go. We split all of these names into two separate columns. And say there was a comma here instead of a space, then that won't work. We'll need to add a comma as the delimiter. So we just add a comma in there, then hit enter, and the same result. And that's all I have for you today in this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching.